Hi, my name's Amanda Stablein, and I'm here to show you some tools to use within Gmail to help enhance your communication experience. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google contact group, how to set up Google Hangouts in Gmail, and how to make a video call in Hangouts. The first thing I'll show you is how to set up a Google contact group. With contact groups, you can easily organize your contacts, making it easier to email a specific set of people. For example, if you create a contact group called Junior High Teachers, you could then send a message to that entire group rather than typing in each individual email address. I'll start in the top left corner by clicking on Mail and choosing Contacts. At the bottom of the list here, you'll see an option called New Group. I'll click there, and I'll name this group Junior High Teachers. To add people to that group, I'll click on the group and then choose the button at the top, Add to Junior High Teachers. All I need to do from here is enter in their email addresses. Once I've done that, I click on Add at the bottom, and their email addresses will show here in the list. Now, when I go back to Mail, and I compose a new email, in the To box, I can type in Junior High Teachers, and my group should show up. When I click on that group, all of their email addresses will automatically fit in here. The next thing I'll show you is how to set up Google Hangouts in Gmail. Hangouts allows you to send chat messages, place audio calls, and also video calls or hold video meetings online through your Gmail account. If you see in the bottom left-hand corner, I have the old chat enabled. I'm going to enable the new Hangouts by clicking on the down arrow in the middle top and then try new Hangouts. So in the bottom left-hand corner, it will show me who I have as contacts, and then if the green dot is there, that means that they're available for chat. This top account is my work account, and the second account is my personal account. I'll use my personal account now to send a message to myself. So I'll click on my personal email message, and I have a pop-up screen, and I'll just type in a message that I want to send to myself. And if you heard the two different notifications, I have it open on a computer screen. I also have it enabled on my cell phone. So anytime I receive a message for either account, it will go to all of my different devices that are logged in. So now on my computer, I'll type a message back to myself from my personal account. And you'll see that it pops up. This is an instant message chat that I can have. I can also place audio calls and video calls. There are a lot of different ways that I can change settings. If I click on the little settings gear, I can turn off the Hangout history, so it will not save any of my messages. If I choose to save the history, I can look that up just like I can as my email. It saves it into my email bank. I can also turn off my notifications if I wanted to. I could delete, or I could archive the message, or I could block myself. I'm going to go ahead and delete this message. I don't need it right now. Click on delete, and it closes that box for me. It would do the same no matter which of my contacts I clicked on. If that person is not available, it will show up to them the next time that they log in. If you wanted to hold a group message, you would do the same thing. Click here on this little guy up at the top where you can add people, and you would type in either the beginning of their name or their email address, however you have them stored as a contact. You could add them into this list, and then click on Add People. A box will pop up here in the middle. This is my new group message. So now if I send out a group message to everyone and say test, they'll all receive that. Now Allison's not logged in right now, so she won't receive that until she logs in the next time. I just received it on my personal account, and somewhere my sister just got a message from me as well that she probably doesn't understand, but that's okay. The last thing I'll show you is how to place a video call using Hangouts. Again, in the bottom left-hand corner, my Hangout options, I'll click on my personal email account, and a chat box will pop open. And in the top left-hand corner of that chat box, I have the option to start a video call. So I'll click on the video call. You'll hear it start ringing. Both on this computer, my phone will start ringing, and the computer behind me, and then I'll turn around to answer it. So now, it will kind of echo a little bit, but you can see my picture is on both computer screens. I'm going to go ahead and hang up by moving my mouse and clicking on Leave Call. And now I will call from my other computer so that you can see what it looks like to receive a call. Again, I'm following those same steps. In my personal email account, I'm finding the email address for my name, clicking on the video call icon. It will start ringing. This box pops up to flash. I can click on it to answer it or click the video icon. And now I'm showing up in both, and again, it's going to echo a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and hang up and close this. It will also save your video call log. So if I look in my Hangout conversation icons over here, it shows that I had a video chat with myself on this day at this time, and I can pull up all of those that information. So to review, today I showed you how to set up a Google contact group, how to set up Google Hangouts in Gmail, and how to make a video call in Hangouts. Next time, I'm going to show you some Gmail teacher tips and tricks. Until then,